are the two parts of the sentence?
Subject and predicate.
Right. So you should put the two parts of the sentence together. Okay? They should be together in one sentence so that you know, okay, what you are talking about, okay, and what the explanation to what you're talking about. Okay? So let's get to know more about your subject and your predicate. Okay. So what is a subject? Mm, Vince, can you read for me?
Yes.
So what is a subject?
Topic of the sentence.
Yes, it's the topic. So remember I asked you if when we were trying to identify if it's a sentence or not, I asked you, what are we talking about?
Topic.
Yes. So what we are talking about, what the sentence is talking about, is what you call the subject part, or it's the topic. Okay? So another information would be the subject, what we are talking about. So who is speaking, who is spoken to, or what or who is spoken about. In other words, when you're asked, what is the sentence about? The other part of the sentence is called a predicate. Vince, what is a predicate? Do you know what a predicate is?
I forgot.
So what does it do? It
Explanation of the subject.
right. So it explains the subject. It's not only what you're talking about, okay, but it's also okay.
Information about the subject.
Yes. There is an explanation or in the form of an
Information.
explanation about the subject. Okay. So you put the two of them together. You put the subject followed by the predicate. So it becomes like this. Your subject is explained by your predicate. This is what you're talking about, and what you're talking about is explained or information given to your subject, or what you're talking about is given or is found in the predicate. And I'd like you to help me identify the subject and the predicate in the following sentence. Can you annotate for me,
Yes.
Vince? Okay. So please underline, okay, like what I did, underline the subject, the whole subject. Mm. So what is the subject?
The medical sector.
Okay. So can you write S on top?
Yes.
S, subject. Okay. Where do you draw the line, Vince?
Po.
Where do you draw the line to separate the
Under.
subject from the predicate?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Correct. Okay. One, correct. Number two, correct. Okay. So what's the remaining part?
Is worried and concerned about easing the physical distancing measures in public transport.
Okay. So what part did you just read?
The medical sector.
So this is the subject, and then you divided it. So is part of the.
The predicate.
Okay, is therefore, that's correct. Is therefore is part of your predicate. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, do you understand now?
Yes.
All right. So, thank you so much for participating. You study well, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Bye.